It's Monday. It's weekly vlog number 21. Oh my gosh, 21 weeks. It's flown by. So yeah, I'm gonna just been getting ready, and I was gonna show you what turned up today. This I found on Wowcher because I've been looking on Forever Cosmetics for ages to get this. I was like, 46 or 48 pound. I was like, that's a bit much. But then it came on Wowcher for like £6. What's this? Activated charcoal teeth whitening powder. I'm gonna give this a go. And I got with it, it says free, but I'm pretty sure, well, it might be free because it's only got £6 in total with delivery. A bamboo toothbrush to use with it. So we're gonna give that a go now. It's so hot. Right, I'm gonna give it a go. So what's we do? Wet your toothbrush, dip it into the powder and brush for around 2 minutes. Rinse well and proceed with your usual toothpaste. Got the mint one, so I think it was mint orange. Think about that. Oh, look. It's very tiny. I definitely wouldn't have paid 46 or 48 pound for it. The biggest regret when I was, oh god, is that pitch black. I'm so annoyed at myself when I was a child. I didn't care much about looking after my teeth. So now I'm suffering with it. Do you think I'm going to keep that on? Look how black that is. Which are the biggest regret. And then I had braces when I was 13. And because, you know, I was a cool teenager, I had all the braces and stuff, and a retainer. I was one of those stupid teenagers that thought it was too cool to wear a retainer. So my teeth moved back. But I've got black all over the sink already. Right, so what was it? Wet your toothbrush, and do you know what? I know it looks small, but I think you only need a little bit, right? Gosh. Nervous! Woo! Be looking. Right, okay. It's wet. Dap in. Dip. Ooh. See? It's on there. Right. So good! I can't. The texture is so weird. So now it's going to take some getting used to, but now to brush with my normal toothpaste. Sorry, now to brush with my normal toothpaste. Right, so it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, which is a plus, I guess. It will take some getting used to. So we'll see what happens with it. Right, I've just come home because I had time and loo to use. Oh, it's only got all out the shorts. Oh, thank you. You don't have to go down Peacocks, do you? No. And we've got 2 new ones. Who's that? So, do you say you put Olives on her? Yeah. So that's Beryl, and Olives under there. Because this one, I figured it would be. Just now, she went and yeah, they're a little bit nervous. But maybe just stand back a bit and give them space to. This Dorothy's being a bit thingy, but I can understand because they're coming into her space. She's had for over a week, so. Yeah, see if they come out. Dorothy, you're being a bit of a bitch. bit of a meanie.
I was worried that those two were going to gang up on her, but
He's trying to put the chickens away.
right, come on in.
Right, here we go, in!
Gotcha.
Got one.
Ninja. Come on, you'll be doing that, keep fit.
Good
Good girl. Nice.
Oh.
They look so cramped in there.
I'm exhausted.
Oh, don't pick a bum.
Dorothy just picked her bum.
The thing is, they need to.
Gosh, look how blonde it looks. Yeah, it's gone lighter. I feel like a right DIY person. I have a fan in my room. Obviously, the aircon as well, but the fan was just blowing around hot air. But I saw somewhere and someone stuck Coke bottles with holes through and put ice in and stuff like that. But I realised that we've got these. They're like little bottles with gel in that you can freeze to put in the aircon. And because we bulk buy some, so we had some extra, so I've hung them by a bit of string behind the fan. And I didn't think, oh, no, won't work, but it's definitely colder air coming out of that. Yes! Go me. Just got comfy in bed already. About 2 hours ago. I was just chilling, you know, it's still light outside. Now it's 11 o'clock. Just realised I haven't taken my mic off. I use this. I mean, I've used any coconut oil, but this is one I have at the moment. From Superdrug. But recently I've opened it and it's been like running. Normally it's solid. Oh yeah, look. You can tell it there. It's very runny. I use it to take it off. Right, Charlie's not being groomed because he's having a groom on Saturday, but look at him. Nanny's pretending. And look at him.
You know how he looks about it. Yes, yes,
Uh-huh.
yes. It looks so pretty.
Nanny, do it properly!
You look pretty.
No, I know you're faking it, Nanny. Do it properly. Do it properly. Oh, you weren't quick enough. Gone through the tunnel.
Yeah,
Good
come here.
boy.
Charlie!
You don't need Happy Father's Day!
Hanging out with you this Tuesday. Now, who is packing for Dad's
It cost her
Very
25p.
jealous if you are. But if it's your first time, you don't want to make the mistakes that loads of people have
Got
already
out.
made. So I've got some great life hacks for you. And if you've got any, let me know. 8:21:22. I'm kicking off this hour with the headliner.
Oh, it's the smell of Sammy. Bloke drives like a knob, Sammy.
Yay! They've been given frozen watermelon. Izzy is loving it. Is it nice?
From what we were hearing during much of the election, the languages of the
You know? Do you not know?
discussions
Is it too
across the
cold?
sector, a wider public debate. It's the sort of language of building a consensus that we heard from the other.
still got that the yellow thing on this bum still?
No.
Must have gone then.
Dad's gonna come out when we put the chickens to bed.
Go put that yellow bike away as well. It's going to rain, Melissa.
You might want to put some shoes on.
Why?
Well, because it's muddy. You might put poop.
You need to keep that poop cleaned up, Sammy.
I do.
She has been.
Where are you putting it?
In the bucket?
In the compost bin. You good lady? Go, go, go! Dorothy, you know what this means. There you go, she's got it. Come on, Beryl. Beryl, it's not time for eating.
She's hungry.
Get out. God's sake, go.
Any eggs?
Well, in you go.
No, they laid an egg earlier.
In you go. Sammy, you can't.
Right, you just gotta be
Right, which one?
Firm.
anyone. Make sure you grab the rings. Yeah?
No, confident. Sammy, that one's going to go behind there.
Beryl,
You'll be confident. Just go.
Go for it.
you do one first, I want
Right, so just like this.
to.
Just like that.
Beryl, behave.
She's like the hardest one, I think.
Go for Dorothy, she'll just...
There you go. She's going to... I mean, she's sitting. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
There you go, Dotty.
Beryl's a bit of a...
Beryl's a bit of a rebel.
Yeah. Okay, well, she jumped.
Beryl, behave.
Just go.
She's giving me that black woman head tilt.
Well, she's gonna jump on here. There you go.
Beryl! Thank you. Yay, you did it!
I don't know, just a push. Just a check.
You did it! I've got Samantha back.
I'll put that.
He has not barked or moved. Look. He's literally not. What's that? Look at the size of those raindrops. Poor Jess, running away. George has said nothing, done nothing.
Do you think I can start twisting my whole fringe into it? I really, really want to. Ready? Oh, it looks worse, so look, this show wasn't gross, but... That's hello! Who's that? Dorothy's very interested in the poo box. Poo box? Poo bin. Poo tub. Poo... What's the word I'm looking for? Bucket. Poo bucket. Well, at least she stopped being a meanie. To the other two. Oh, I said that and then she does that! Hello? Escapist? She seems to be the noisy one as well. Yeah. Good old Beryl. She's the one that,
Dorothy.
Look, there's one there. Look here. She made a picture about it. I hear one of you got inside. Beryl keeps eyeing on this black gate. Was it 3-4 times yesterday or before? She got on top of this gate. Look how high. Oh, look how high it is. She's. Oh, bugger. Oh. You're definitely the noisy one, aren't you? I know. You like to be heard, didn't you? This one's being a bit of a meanie at the moment. Dorothy. See what I mean?
Oh, that's the first time I've heard a chicken poo. What? That's the first time I've heard a chicken poo.
What do you mean?
Like the first time I've just heard a chicken poo. She literally just pooed.
Yeah.
And I looked quickly because I thought it was running water.
Oh, really? Friday, finally. Had a bit of issue this morning. My groomer messaged me saying that she couldn't do the appointment tomorrow that I had booked for over a month. Isn't sure I really need it, but so I put a shout out, and Sammy said we'll try her groomer, and she saved me. Izzy and Charlie are now booked in with Harriet, who George goes to, for 9 AM tomorrow, and she's coming to pick them up. So that's a bonus for me. So they can be groomed still because they really need it, bless them. And then, see, I'm going to keep fiddling with it. The growing out the fringe is starting. It's going to look god awful for about a week. A little choppy because it's, you know, my because obviously when it's down, oh god, I just don't find it. Oh my god. Anyway, that's what I'm going to look at now. I'm growing it out. And I've had to change colour of my eyebrows. I've gone for a light brown. So obviously it looked too much with my dark brown. But yeah. That's a bit better, it's not so intense. I've thinned it out again because I had it, what I had yesterday, but it was a bit thick, so it was all like, you know, jaggedy and horrible. But yeah. It's going to take some getting used to. I'm going to keep touching it and swishing it over so it gets used to going that way. But I kind of like it. I look really red. Getting there. Looking a bit dishevelled, but just go home. You'll see her chicken bits being adjusted. Yeah. Oh good, the wall's gone.
Looks really good.
No, it's got ketchup on it.
That's good.
But my bunnies. What about your bunnies?
Can you just fill us in what's happened?
Well, Dad brought this for the chickens.
It's like a, what do you call it? A big.
It's a greenhouse, but
It's called a potty tunnel.
we're obviously not going to keep them because otherwise they'll get hot. But they've got vents here, and it's just so they've got a bigger space to roam. And I'm going to get a dust bath.
Do you like it?
Dust bath for them, and
Sammy, the rabbits have got to have their run out as well. They're not going to be stuck in.
That was a good shot, but I was scared she's going to get my fingers.
There you go, right.
well, there's some plastic here.
Thanks for clearing the table.
Who did you ask to clear the table?
That was a bit crazy. Let them out. I go to the groomers. Yeah. Oh, but you're not going this time. Oh, it's okay.
I think someone's a little sad. It's not him.
Didn't tell her. She's not doing Izzy's nails, is she?
George, you okay? Come here. Someone was a little upset because his groomer came but didn't collect him. She collected George, Charlie and Izzy. Look who's just come home! You look so pretty! Oh, Wiz, does that feel better? Oh, Charlie, that's not. Does that feel better? Oh, did you have fun together? Yeah? Right, let's go see the others then. George has really missed you. George, let's not do that. Did you miss them? Right, guys, off you go then, go! Here we go, come on! They need to move. Go, 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 go! Look at you, Izzy! Charlie, you're so handsome! So handsome! I need to get more pictures. Oh, Izzy Wiz! Right, we're going out to the chicken mansion. I bet they feel like they're in a very lap of luxury here now. It's quite huge. Can you hear them? And it's raining today. This could not come at a more perfect time. Hi girls! Where's Dorothy then?
She might be inside.
Oh, you've left it open?
Yeah.
Oh, hello!
I think she was laying in bed.
Just popped up. Sammy has just come up to me and she said, feel this. It was a very, very
Warm egg.
warm egg. It's literally fresh.
So basically what I did is I cleared out the house and put new stuff in it, like straw and bedding and stuff, and Dorothy literally ran straight inside there as soon as I'd done it.
Because now you're leaving the door open, aren't
Yeah.
you? So they can go in and out.
And while I was doing the rest, I was she was in there. So just as I was finishing up, she ran out to get some food, so I had a look and she laid an egg.
Yay!
So it was very,
Well done, Dorothy.
very warm. Bless her. So I've just come out to check on the chickens. And all three of them are having a bit of a roll in the mud.
Just thought I'd show you what I was doing. I have my keys for work, locker, car keys. And I've had this for a while, this Lego thing. But I'm just sitting here thinking I can rearrange it so I can get more characters on. So this is what I'm currently doing. Moving the bits. but it's Sunday. We're at Raystede and Sammy, Raystede, she's got her, oh, the wind's not our friend today, but she's got her thing set up. The others are there, setting up theirs.
Oh no, there's a sign gone.
I think this is yours. This wind is not our friend today. Oh, my eyes are streaming, stuff's flipping, look. Might be, yeah. We're going to put something on that.
Stressing me out, this wind. Stressing me out, all my stuff is going everywhere.
It's all blowing.
Hopefully it'll stop. I mean, it's only
Yeah.
9:45.
Oh, right, yeah.
So,
Doesn't it open at 10?
yeah. We've been set up for about 20 minutes.
I had to come inside the car because my eyes are streaming, but she sold quite a few things. There's this little girl going around, she's in like a peach buggy and she's wearing like a peachy outfit and she bought one of Sammy's peachy little bows. She was so cute. There's Mum and Becky, they've bought quite a few things. They sold quite a few things. Yeah, very incredibly windy. Hence why my eyes were running like a tap. The charity shop after, and we saw this, and you need
house, but we thought
you need to have it.
Oh my god.
Show us what it says.
That's actually perfect.
Buckingham Palace. We thought you could hang it on your chicken coop.
And a present for George. I know it's not his colour, but that's what we had because he needs one.
Quid on
One for Charlie,
One for Charlie. He's got a black one.
one for Izzy, and Una.
Look, and then those bones. £1 each.
Yeah. Why does Sammy always look suspicious? She's gone over there. Look at it. Look at it back at Dad, pulling her face. She looks like she's up to something. Is she trashing the place? No, she's dropping things. She's gone under the table. What? She's under the table. She's under the table. I don't know what she was doing. Dad just said, well, that went well. Right, Sammy's finished.
Piss. Because everything just kept blowing everywhere and stuff. My stuff was breaking. I got hit in the head by something.
So, we got ourselves, what is it? Cheese and bacon toasty with chips. But well done you for your first one. Woo! It's good. Sammy's winding Dad up saying she can't do the chair, look. She's got another one. Bless me. It's catching in the wind! Sammy, what's your question of the week?
Go away. I don't have one.
Our voiceover. Her question is, with the recent weather, do you prefer it hot or cold?
Piss off.
What do you think? Hot or cold?
Go away.
That's not an answer. Hot or cold?
Neither.
Neither. Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye.
Pardon?
Bye.
Pardon?
Bye.
Pardon?
Bye.
Pardon?
Bye.